Now on the left-hand side, let's click on Goals. Then I'm going to scroll down to Create Conversion Action. This is one of the most important parts of this entire setup, because if you skip this, Google has no idea what a lead is for your business. And so you just end up paying for clicks with no real measurement behind it. Now we're going to create 3 conversion actions so Google can track the main ways that someone becomes a lead. The first one we'll create is calls from your website. This is when someone clicks your phone number on your site. The second one we'll create is calls from your ads. This is when someone taps the call button directly on the ad. And the third one we'll create is a website form or booking submission. This is when someone submits your form and reaches a thank you page. We're creating these 3 because they cover the most common lead paths for most businesses, and it gives Google clean data to optimize around. So with that said, let's go ahead and create our first conversion action. So click on Create Conversion Action. And the first thing we'll do is create a conversion action for phone calls. So I'll click on this here. And then from here, click on Create Conversion. And then I'm going to choose Calls from Website Visits. Then click on Someone Calls a Number Shown on My Website. And then from here, you're going to want to enter your business phone number. I'll just use this example number here for now. But you want to make sure that this is your primary business phone number that appears on your website. So from here, click on Use This Event. Then go down and click on Save and Continue. All right, so now we've created the conversion action. Let's scroll down here. And if you haven't set up your Google tag yet, you're going to see this appear right here. But if you did that earlier, this should be good to go. Now, the next thing we need to do is find the event snippet. So click on See Event Snippet. Then you're going to copy this. And then you're going to go back over to your WordPress dashboard or wherever you enter custom code for your website. And then right underneath the Google tag, we're going to paste in this event snippet. So just paste that in right underneath what we did before. Then click on Save Changes. Then I'll go back over to my Google Ads, close out of this. And there we go. We've added this event snippet for phone call leads to our website. Okay, now here, let's scroll down and click on Finish. Okay, next, let's scroll back down here and click on Create Conversion Action again. The next thing we're going to do is set up a conversion action for calls from ad extensions. That means we're tracking whenever somebody calls us from our ad directly. So go down and click on Phone Call Lead again. Click on Create Conversion. Click on Calls from Ads. You can see here it says when someone clicks a call ad or a call asset. From there, go down and click on Save and Continue. So now we're tracking 2 different conversion actions. So now you'll be able to tell which calls came from your website and which calls came directly from the ad. So with that created, let's go down and click on Finish. All right, so now that we've tracked phone calls, the next thing we need to do is track website leads, like a contact form or booking request. The problem is Google can't automatically tell when someone fills out a form on your website. So we have to give it a clear signal. And the clearest signal that we can usually give is a thank you page. A thank you page is just a confirmation page someone only sees after they submit your form. For example, that would be something like yourwebsite.com/thank-you or yourwebsite.com/booking confirmed. And the reason this works is simple. If someone lands on that page, we know that they must have completed the form, and that's a real lead. So the first step here is on your website. You want to make sure that your form redirects to a thank you page after submission, and then you want to copy that link. And now the second step is to set up conversion tracking for that thank you page. So let's go ahead and do that now. Let's scroll back down to the bottom here and click on Create Conversion Action. And from here, scroll down and click on Submit Lead Form. And then here, click on Create Conversion. Go ahead and select your website. Then click on Automatically Without Code. For event type, make sure it's set to page load. Then change this from URL starts with to URL contains. Now for the URL here, go ahead and type whatever the confirmation page for your website is. So for me, that's going to be thank-you. Now if yours ends in confirmation or booking confirmed, you're going to put that here. This is something that you set up on your own website. So go ahead and double check and make sure that you have the correct confirmation page URL here. Now let's scroll down and click on Done. Then click on Save and Continue. And there we go. You've now set up 3 conversion actions. You have phone calls from your website, phone calls from your ads, and conversion tracking from your website itself. All right, now from here, let's scroll down and click on Finish.